My name is Nikki O'Donnell, and I'm a child adolescent psychologist from Viewpoint Psychology and Wellness. And I am the Youth Action Board liaison with the Lakes Area Community Coalition. So we're meeting at Claire Miller Park, which is excellent. This is our social distance, sort of creative improv summer meeting. What we're creating are these really neat coping kits. The kids had lots of input, putting together pieces into things that they think that their peers would really appreciate. Things like a journal to help them, process feelings and emotions. It's a really stressful time. Stress balls and gum and all kinds of things. But these coping kits are going to go in backpacks that will be distributed through Hospitality House. So we're making sure we get them into the hands of the people who we think are really going to be using and needing them this year. Getting together and empowering our youth. This is the heartbeat of our community and our schools here. These are the kids who are going to make the changes for generations to come. Their contributions to the Youth Action Board and to the coalition are the things that guide our work as adults in this community, but also these are the people that we're serving. This is our youth. So by getting them together and really empowering them, I think we really make great change in working towards our goal of having a healthy, vibrant, drug-free community.